SmartScan family has an additional menu. In the additional menu, the user can set another indications such as volume and totalization. Also, he can indicate a strapping table for custom tank or a strapping table for a custom flam. In order to enter the additional menu, press Enter and Escape simultaneously from the measurement window. Enter code 716 and press Enter after. After pressing Enter, the digit 1 appears on the screen. Press Enter and icon number 1 blinks. When number 3 appears on the screen, press Next to go towards number 4 and then press Enter. Icon number 4 blinks. After entering the additional menu, we will see on the screen Program 0. Program 0 indicates additional indications such as volume, totalization, and auto-toggling. For example, indication 1 indicates volume, while indication 2 indicates totalization, and indication 4 indicates the auto-toggling, which means on the measurement window, the Smart toggles automatically between flow, level, distance, and the totalization window. For example, we will choose volume indication. We'll enter Program 0 and choose indication 1 that indicates the volume indication. After that, we will go to Program 1, which is manually inserting the strapping table points. For example, if I have a linear tank with a capacity of 2,000 liters and the height of 2 meters, so I will enter in point 1 level 0, and volume of 0.1, which indicates the bottom of the tank. Point 2 will be the middle of the tank, which is 1 meter height. And the capacity of 1,000 liters. The third point will be the top of the tank, which is 2 meter height and capacity of 2,000 liters. After we finished entering the points, we will press Escape to go back to the additional menu. Please note that during the process of inserting the points, the user can modify the points whenever he desires to. Also, if the user wants to reset the strapping table, just step to Program 4 and press Enter. It will indicate erase. We will press Enter again, and SmartScan will erase the strapping table. After setting the strapping table, the user can enter a k-factor, a coefficient factor which enables us to measure the medium inside the tank as kilograms or as liquid. For example, the coefficient factor I will enter will be 0.5, which means that every measured value will multiply by 0.5, and user can observe it on the measurement screen. For example, if I want to go back to the measurement screen, I will press escape once, and we'll go back to the main menu, and then we'll press escape again, and measurement window will appear. As we can see a volume multiplies by half of the k-factor. In order to define totalization indication, the user must choose flow indication in the main menu before. After, it will go to additional menu and press enter on program 0. And we'll choose indication 2, which indicates totalization indication. Inside the indication, we have 3 options. Option number 0 is to reset the totalization counter. Option number 1 is to activate the counter. And option number 2 is to deactivate the totalization function. For example, I will choose 1 to activate the totalization. After setting the totalization indication, we have the option to set relay number 5 to pulse totalization. We will step to relay number 5. We will indicate flow indication and step to relay number 5. For pulse totalization, we will choose tot enable and press enter. First option is the pulse totalization counter. We can choose between 1 to 1 million. For example, I will choose 1 and press enter. After that, we will choose the time period of the pulse. For example, I will choose 200 milliseconds and press enter. Using this option, I've just enabled pulse totalization counting using relay number 5. In order to observe the totalization measurement value, I will press escape till I reach the measurement window. In the measurement window, I can see display H, which means the high display of the totalization counter. And if I press next, I will see the low display of the totalization counter. It will update every 30 seconds. As we can see, the low display was updated. And relay number 5 is ticking because of the totalization pulse counting.